upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchases so you can spend less time cleaning and more time binge watching your favorite shows. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. Yes, you heard me right, steam mops. The appliances that promise to make your floors sparkle like Edward Cullen in the sunlight. On my left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, and on my right, the Neugo Steam Mop. Let's find out which one is the true cleaning champion, or, as I like to call it, the Dirt Vanquisher. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 is priced at $89, making it a budget-friendly option that many reviewers appreciate for its value. Meanwhile, the Neugo Steam Mop comes in at $119, which some users feel is justified given its versatility and range of accessories. Overall, the Shark is seen as a good deal, while the Neugo is viewed as a worthwhile investment by those who need more features. Now, let's get steamy. The Shark heats water into superheated steam in just 30 seconds, which many users find impressive for its quick setup. The Neugo, on the other hand, reaches a whopping 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which users love for its high-temperature cleaning capabilities. Both products promise chemical-free cleaning, but the Neugo's higher temperature is noted as an advantage for tougher messes. When it comes to cleaning efficiency, the Shark claims to lock in dirt with its machine-washable microfiber pads, which many reviewers have found effective for various floor types. However, some users noted that it struggled with grout. The Neugo boasts 10 accessories, allowing it to tackle everything from floors to stubborn grout lines, and users rave about its effectiveness on marble and laminate floors, making it a versatile choice. Speaking of versatility, the Neugo can transform into a handheld steam cleaner, which has been a hit among users who appreciate its multifunctionality. The Shark is primarily designed for all sealed hard floors, which is perfect for users who want a straightforward cleaning solution without the extra features. Let's not forget about comfort. The Shark features a soft grip handle that's easy on the hands, making it a favorite for users who clean regularly. The Neugo takes it up a notch with an adjustable height feature, allowing users of all sizes to clean without discomfort. Reviewers particularly enjoy this ergonomic design, as it reduces strain during cleaning sessions. And finally, let's talk about the cords. The Shark has an 18-foot cord, while the Neugo boasts a 23-foot cord, which many users appreciate for its extended reach. Reviewers with larger spaces love the Neugo's longer cord, while those in smaller homes find the Shark's length sufficient. Just be careful not to trip over those cords while showing off your cleaning skills. In summary, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop generally receives praise for its affordability, quick heat-up time, and effective cleaning on various surfaces. However, some users mention its limitations with grout and the absence of a power switch. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop is lauded for its versatility and range of attachments, though some users have experienced difficulty in disassembling it for storage. Overall, both mops have their strengths and appeal to different cleaning needs. So there you have it, folks. The Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop versus the Neugo Steam Mop. They both have their strengths, and it really depends on your cleaning needs and budget. If you want quick, chemical-free cleaning, the Shark is a solid choice. But if you're looking for versatility and extra tools, the Neugo might be worth the splurge. Whichever you choose, remember to keep your floors clean and your spirits high. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product comparisons, and drop a comment below telling us your cleaning horror stories. Until next time. Happy cleaning, and may your floors shine brighter than your future. Upbeat music fades out.